YouTube HD, and I'm going to show you how to make your own computer. And this computer is supported by Kano. First up, we have a keyboard, a speaker, some wires, a microchip, a plug, and a microchip. And here's some instructions.
They're like, oh, he's lame. I'm going after him.
Now it's time to get working. You can pause it. Hey, now we're done with the computer. Here what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? You have to see this yellow cord is connected to the TV. So I can play on it, like to make my own world and stuff. And here's a keyboard, and I know it's not connected to the hard drive, but it's not connected with the cord to the hard drive, but it still works.
Go.
Let's turn the TV on. Screen recording?
Yep.
We go to HDMI 2. And there we go. The name is Jason. Let's turn this up. That cool, right? Is that cool? Oh, wow. What are we doing? I never played this before, so I don't know what I'm doing. I just go up.
Swimsuit on. Go.
Okay, that's the end of our video, but we're gonna show you some clips of it. Right now, it's my auntie would do it.
That's it.
Bye, and make sure to follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and press the subscribe button and press the like button and share it with other people. Hope you liked the video. Bye.